Yesterday, what we saw in the Lok Sabha yesterday was another classic example of how the government just goes back on its word on everything. The reason that we agreed to discuss the bill in Parliament was twofold. One, that this was an amendment bill. The 2024 Act, had it been executed and implemented properly 2 years ago with the Radhakrishnan Committee, there would have been no need for this amendment. Still, this government brought in the amendment. We said we will support the amendment, but we also made it very clear to the government, to which the government agreed, that there has to be some jawabdahi, some accountability for the police brutalities which happened on the Chalo Sansad March on the 20th of July. The government agreed to it. However, when the LOP stood up to speak, when all of us stood up to speak and we touched on this topic, the chairpeople, the chairpersons, as well as the treasury benches, including senior ministers, disturbed us. No matter how much the government is trying to remove it, this exists. So Amit Shah either gave the direct order or through his chain, the orders were given from his ministry. There is no escaping that, Mr. Shah. By making the LOP keep quiet does not hide the truth. We want the Amit Shah in the house today. And he is coming here wearing fancy dhotis, and the Godi media is asking him, instead of asking him, आपने गोली क्यों चलाई? They are asking him, आप किस तरह के धोती पहन रहे, महाराष्ट्रन पहन रहे कि कर्नाटक पहन रहे? हम उनका धोती का स्टाइल नहीं जानना चाहता है देश। वो किस तरह की धोती पहन के आ रहे सांसद में, वो नहीं जानना चाहती है। देश जानना चाहती है कि वो और उनके मंत्रालय किस लिए, किस वजह से अनआर्म्ड प्रोटेस्टर्स, बच्चे के ऊपर आपने पैलेट गन्स, लाठी और इंजरीज की है। वेरी सिंपल।